Just I don't forget the steps. Okay, right?
Yeah.
Okay, insert the thumb into the loop. Red stitching out, black and red stitching against your skin. Then you're gonna do all the wrapping in an outwards movement from your chest and out. Okay, go one time around the wrist. Then behind your hand in a crossover shape, you're gonna wrap your thumbs one time. And then from here, you go again towards your wrist. And then you're gonna start wrapping your knuckles between your fingers. Index finger, middle finger first. And make sure that the loop is visual or visible. If you cover the loop, then the wrapping is gonna start sliding up and gonna lose tightness. So between your fingers, one time, go back down. Keep the strap or the wrap close to your wrist, not your thumb. 2. And the last one, ring finger and pinky. Like that. Last, one more time. Around the pinky knuckle. One more time around all the knuckles. Cross over on the top of your hand and go around the wrist, finishing your wrapping. Okay? Wait. No. This way, the wrappings between your fingers are gonna cover the first full knuckle cover, full knuckle wrapping, and it's gonna prevent this layer from sliding up when you punch the back. So that's why we do one full time around the knuckles first. And then wrap the fingers between the fingers, in between 3 times. And you got one more layer to cover the knuckles again. Okay, cross over, wrist. This way, if this layer slides, you still have the first layer of protection on all of your knuckles. That's it.